All right, I caught it. Nice trick. Oh, hi everyone. This is Grammar, and I was just working on my tricks here. Well, now I have something for you which is not as tricky, but it takes practice. I have some words that are not spelled with ER, but are pronounced like an ER, or have an sound, okay? Let's start with the first one. This word, let's imagine that we don't have this UR, but rather an ER. So the pronunciation is turn, okay? The same thing with our next word. Let's imagine that we have an ER instead of a UR, and we're going to say church, okay? The next word, you want to be careful, by the way, when you're frying or making something or working on your tricks. Don't burn yourself on a hot pan, okay? So, same thing here. Let's imagine we have an ER and we say burn, okay? For the next one, even though it's not spelled with a UR, we're going to do the same thing, because sometimes that combination right there, IR, sounds like an ER. So the correct pronunciation is bird, okay? Not something like beard or something like that. Beard is this, okay? And this last word on this side, well, let's imagine we don't have that A, and what we have is only this ER, and we're going to say learn, okay? So let's practice these words. First we have turn, church, burn, bird, learn, okay? Let's go to this side. Well, we have the same thing. We have words that are not spelled with ER, but have an ER sound. The first one is just practice. It's not really tricky, it's just practice, okay? Instead of this RO, let's imagine we have an ER. And I'm going to say this letter just like the letter of the alphabet. So I'm going to say I and then earn, iron, like Iron Man, okay? The next word, well, same thing. Let's imagine we have an ER instead of an OR, and we're going to say mirror, okay? One more time, mirror. The next word is a little bit tricky because we have two things in this word. First of all, this S sounds like an SH, like sh. And this A is more like an E, so I have my ER, and I'm going to say sugar, okay? One more time, sugar. Da-na-na-na-na-na. Okay, the next word, again, we have two things. First thing is that this O actually sounds more like when we have a U and we say ka. And this OR, again, like mirror, is more of an ER, and we're going to say color. So this syllable is stressed, and I say color, okay? By the way, what's your favorite color? My favorite color? Red. Okay? And the last one, same thing. Instead of an OR, let's imagine we have an ER and we say doctor. Okay? So let's practice these 10 words. First me, then you. Here we go. Turn, church, burn, bird, learn, iron, mirror, sugar, color, doctor. Great job. Okay, so once again, this is all about practice. Remember that English pronunciation is highly irregular, so it's all about practice, practice, practice. It's about repetition and repetition, okay? So as you can see, these 10 words that are not spelled with an ER have an ER sound. So this is not tricky, it's just practice, okay? Tricky is trying to catch a tortilla behind your back, okay? So these words are easy peasy, super breezy.